everyone, I've got a cool Procreate outline drawing trick to share with you. If you are still tediously drawing individual strokes for your outlines, you are definitely gonna love my next step. Check this out. First off, ensure your object is on a transparent background. Then create a new layer. Drag the layer 2 down to the bottom. Fill it with black. Now duplicate the layer where your main object is placed. Remember, pick the second layer. Now come to the good stuff. Go to Selection, Automatic, Add, and then Feather. You can decide how much feathering you want. I went with 19%. Return to the layer options. Stay on the second layer. Choose to fill layer with white. Now duplicate that layer about 4 or 5 times. Merge them. Keep copying the merged layer about 4 or 5 times, then merge them again. You'll start to see this. The edge of your object will have the blurry white light. Let's go back to automatic selection. Hit Add, and then hold your pen on the screen. Swipe it left and right to pick the size of the white area. Adjust it until you are happy, then release. Back to the upper left corner, select the actions, add, and then cut. Tap the screen. Now the fuzzy white around your main object has turned into a neat white border. Time for the brush tool. You can fill in any spot not covered by white. And that's it. It is a faster and easier way to draw outlines by hand, isn't it? Ta-da! Now you can use this technique to make stickers outline like I do. Pretty cool, right? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing more awesome art and drawing tutorials. See you next one.